To get more insights, on the line with us is the Senior Director of National Aviation Meteorological Centre, Dr. Mohd Hisham Mohd Anip. Hello, Doctor. Thanks for joining us this evening. Following Typhoon Krosa, there is also another super typhoon approaching. Can you share with us details on this? Also, we were caught unprepared by last night's storm brought by Typhoon Krosa in the northern states. Moving forward, Doctor, is there any way for us to prepare for such powerful storms?
Typhoon Krosa has made a landfall early this morning at about 10 o'clock in the morning. And as a result of that, we expect the typhoon to weaken and to dissipate in another 1 or 2 days. However, there is another typhoon already formed behind this Typhoon Krosa. This one is known as Typhoon Krosa, which is now located over the northeast part of the Philippines. And we expect the typhoon, this Krosa typhoon, is expected to move or past the southern part of Japan. As a result of this typhoon formation, we still can expect a strong wind over our region, especially over the northern states of the peninsula. The storm that hit the northern states last night is not due to the direct impact of Typhoon Krosa. Actually, we can see that it is an indirect impact due to the strong wind that comes from the Indian Ocean that converge with the wind or from the southern part of the Strait of Malacca. As a result of this convergent wind, we had a weather system that we call squall line. Normally, squall line will take a few hours to form, and after that, it will bring normally very heavy rainfall in a short period. Together with a strong wind. The event that formed last night over northern states, some of our stations has recorded more than 100 kilometers per hour of wind, strong wind. And this definitely can cause damage to a very weak structure. And also for the branches, tree branches, as well as a very old tree that can fall. So we do expect this type of event to happen another 1 or 2 days, maybe during the afternoon or early night. And we hope that the public can be a little bit aware of the weather phenomena that take place over your area. Thank you.